Hey guys, my name's Giovanni. Today we'll be playing the game of Shinobi. Shinobi is about a shinobi who has to save 3 hostages per area while fighting off endless hordes of thugs with guns, ninjas with swords, and giant thugs who protect the hostages, which makes things kind of difficult. Just to let you guys know, I'm gonna be going over most of the things now, and then I'm gonna be making little commentaries throughout the video. So the characters are me in the middle, the Shinobi fly guy right there. That's me. Yeah. Actually, over to our here is a ninja with swords. So those ninjas are actually worth 200 points. We also have regular thugs with clothes and regular thugs with guns. Those kills cost about 100 points. If you take out one of the big guys protecting the hostages, you get a total of 300 points added. If you die, you don't get any points deducted. You just gotta pick up where you left off, but all the way at the beginning. Graphics are pretty basic. They have just like this kind of like factory setting. They also have pictures of Marilyn Monroe back in the beginning, but I'm kind of in the middle of a round that I'm going to show you guys some cool stuff. We're probably going to be able to make it to the boss battle today, so it's going to be pretty cool. Some connections that I can draw between this game and the most recent games are, I'd have to say Ninja Gaiden. I'd also have to say what's another one? Probably Meow. It's like the newest dungeon crawler that just came out. Uh, but my shocking reaction to well, hold on, let's start playing, guys. So a awesome realization I've made as a 21st century gamer playing this 20th century game is that games are gonna be games. They're gonna be fun or not. Oh man, I'm getting my butt kicked. I gotta save that guy, and it's not letting me save that guy, and I just got shot. It didn't let me save the guy, but hey, you also see these cool zombie pictures in the back. I don't know if you guys seen them, but we'll be able to see them again. You also get a cool little superpower, so I'll probably be able to show that off to you guys. I'm just gonna skip over these guys and just, probably just line them up and and super ninja move. So I don't really know what that move's called, or or what it even is. So now I get to get them. But it really does help me out when I'm in a pickle. Alright, so now we're on our way to boss battle. Yeah, dun dun dun. I guess they have some obsession with factory settings and well, it's probably the location of the game too. So it's factory setting kind of with pictures of Marilyn Monroe. I don't know if she's really big during the time. But we also have this guy. So the trick is to give him headshots, but it's a little hard. I've been playing a while, so I've been kind of mastering it. Oh, sometimes even mastering it's not good enough. But oh, and his lives went back. Perfect. Oh man, doesn't look like I'm gonna be able to get this one first, guys. I'll probably see what happens if I go. Oh, a couple of seconds left. Oh one. I'm gonna throw another one probably. Or I could probably try the special move, see if it could kill him. Oh, it killed him! Yeah! Now we're gonna go into the bonus stage. This is a very high pace, so let's see if I can do it. Oh man, see? Look at that. That's why I also said, well, hold on, this Turtle Beach our next round, but this is why I also saying that these games are still a little bit more difficult. I don't